And hi, so today's video we're gonna play this game. I don't know what is this, but let's just play. Let's go. Hyper. Ooh, the maze. Okay, let's go. What the hell? Uh, oh, by the way, this is my second game. I only post 3 days. I only post 3 days. When using this flashlight, the battery will drain. When you in the maze, look around for batteries to fix the problem. Hey, you have the cat. What the hell? Hey, December 20. We're not December 20. Wait, wait, what? Is that true? Forgot. Okay, let's go. Wait. Let's go. I'm back. Now let's play this. And warning. Oh, in the laggy. Oh my god. Let's go. Where's the maze? Where's the freaking maze? Where's the... Oh, shit. Kinda laggy. Whew. Where's the freaking... Is this the maze? Is this the maze? Okay, I need to miss. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, oh. I know it now. Wait. Okay, let's go. Stop that. Yo, where's the maze? Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Okay, we will go here, guys. Come. Oh my god. Hey, come here. Over here. But then I'm just. Oh, it's water. It's freaking water. Just go here, not that way. Oh, what the? Oh, there. Oh my god. Oh, wait. What the hell? Oh, fuck. Oh my god. I died with that freaking double. Okay, let's go. Oh, forgot. Yo, what the? Okay, let's just go. Go! Wait. Okay. Okay. Oh, what the So if you want to play this game, the name of this is the Maze. Maze game. Oh, Maze game. I don't know. Now we're back here. We're back here. Hey. I'm freaking scared, bro. What the hell? Hey, yo, come here. You, Patrick. Oh, come there and go here. What the? What the hell? Your foot! What the fuck? That's so loud. Oh my god. It's so loud. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I need to freaking do this. Okay, see you in part 2. Bye.